Hello again and welcome back to Between the Keys, where I teach you how to play various songs on the piano, including this one by John Mayer, another one by John Mayer, Waiting on the World to Change. Okay, this song is in the key of D. Let's do the intro. Starts with a D, goes to a B minor, goes to G, goes to A. Don't worry, I'll slow down. I will play them slower. B minor, G to D, G to D. Alright, let's do them again. D again, D to B minor. You can put the 7 on a minor chord, it'll always work, nearly always. So here's the 7. I might put the 7 further down, starting on the A. So let's do it again. D is right there. Just adding a note for the B minor, adding the B in. Beautiful. Let's go to G, which just involves you releasing that F sharp and moving your thumb down to a G. Play the notes again. I'm adding a G up top too, so I was here. There's your G. Let's go back to that D again. You can go down, or you can go from there, you can go up. Back to the beginning. D to B minor 7, G to D. A is there, B minor 7, you've seen it before. Here it is again. G again, and D again. Okay, beautiful stuff, beautiful stuff. Slow that down and take it as slow as you need to get that intro, because you're going to need them again now actually for verse 1, as is often the case. When you learn an intro, it's then reused in the verse. So me and all my friends, we're all misunderstood. D. Me and all my friends, B minor 7, we're all misunderstood. G to D. A. They say we stand for nothing. A to B minor, so we went up. A say we stand for nothing, and there's no way we ever could. G to D. Now we see everything that's going wrong with the world and those who lead it. We just feel like we don't have the means to rise above and beat it. Sorry if I'm not singing it exactly right, but I've got a lot of songs to get through. Okay, so we keep waiting. Let's keep going with the chorus now. So we keep waiting, waiting. That D to B minor changes very fast. We keep waiting and waiting, waiting on the world to change. And we keep on waiting, waiting, waiting on the world to change. G to D. That was D to B minor again, G to D, and then we keep on waiting. A to B minor, waiting on the world to change. G to D. Let's do it again. This time it changes. It's hard to beat the system. We go up to E minor for the first time. Hard to beat the system. D to E minor. When you're standing at a distance. B minor to E minor 7. So we keep on waiting. Let's do that again. It's hard to beat the system. D to E, E minor. And when you're standing at a distance, that's B minor to E minor 7. I'm playing the 7 on both of those because they're minor chords. So we keep on waiting, waiting. A to B minor, waiting on the world to change. G to D. Verse 2 is the same as verse 1. Now if we had the power to bring our neighbors home from war, they would have never missed a Christmas. How does he sing that? They would never have missed a Christmas. No more ribbons on their door. Very close. I'm sure I'm very close. They would have never missed a Christmas. No more ribbons on their door. That was A, B minor, G, D. And when you trust your television, D to B minor, what you get is what you got. G to D. A. Cause when they own the information, or they can bend it all they want. Let's go, chorus time. That's why we're waiting and waiting, waiting on the G to D, world to change. We keep on A, waiting and waiting to B minor, waiting on the world to change. G to D. It's not that we don't care. Second half of the chorus, remember from before, we go up to E minor. It's not that we don't care. You could play the 7 there. It's not that we don't care. E minor 7 works very nicely, lovely. We just know the fight ain't fair. B minor 7 to E minor 7. we keep on waiting on the world to change again. We've got a bridge, very strange bridge coming up, because it goes strangely G to D major and then just changes out of the blue to D minor 7. It stays on D minor 7 for a long old time. I think about 8 bars of it. That would be 4 bars. I played along to the song and was like, oh, D minor, where does that come from? And suddenly at the end it goes back to D major, and then we go into solo D major and the chords you've seen before. Very clever. So when we go back to D at the end of that bridge, we go into the solo chords, D to B minor 7, G to D to resolve, and then A again to B minor 7, then G to D. Very nice. Actually, you're not done because it goes twice. On the world to change, we keep on waiting on the world to change. One day our generation is gonna rule the population. We keep on waiting on the world to change. So, chorus, D to B minor, G to D, A to B minor, G to D, D to E minor, B minor, back to E minor. Keep on waiting, A to B minor, G to D, and repeat. Waiting for the world to change. We keep on waiting, last time. Waiting on the world to change. Nice ending for you there. Okay, Waiting on the World to Change by John Mayer. If this video helped you to learn that song and you enjoyed it, please click like and subscribe to the channel. And I shall see you in the next one. What song is it? Is it another one by John Mayer? Could be Better Days by John Mayer. And then it says ABC Jackson 5, but there's a yes next to it. That means it's already live on the channel ABC. As is Bad, You Are Not Alone, and Rock With You by Michael Jackson, and many more. If you have any requests, please put them in the comments below. As I say before, please also click like and subscribe if you want to see more content from Between the Keys and me, myself and I. Because I have a lot of stuff planned. More songs by ABBA, Michael Jackson, many more, Elton John, Queen, wow, the list goes on. Alright, so thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And ciao for now.